channel. What's up, what's up? Make sure you like this video, subscribe down below, and let's get started. So today I am going to show you how to do a top knot, the bun on the top. So basically all I use is Eco Styler Gel Max Hold 10. I do want to find something different because I feel like this gives me a lot of flyaways. It doesn't hold as much as it's supposed to. Water, a brush, and a comb. Basically, I just got out of the shower, but I need to wet it again because it got a little dry. Okay. Okay, so now that we're done brushing everything upwards, without using a hair tie, we are just going to twist our hair and wrap it around. And once you're done wrapping, you're going to want to tuck the last piece under and then add your hair ties. Up close, I guess. So this is a top bun. The only secret that I can tell you, the only thing that I live by is to brush upwards. Before I used to brush back and try to make a bun, and it did not look good. It looked probably like a 90s bun, which would have looked good back in the day, but you know it's 2018. So brushing up towards where you want your bun, and then depending on how wide you want your bun is determined by how tight you wrap it around. But I ain't been feeling it lately. You say you love keeping me flat, but can't keep me from looking so crazy. Okay, so there you have it. Make sure that you subscribe down below, like this video, comment, follow us on social media, Twitter, Instagram. And I've been thinking of, hopefully some others watch this, but I've been thinking of some videos and some pranks. So stay tuned for that.